Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Just look at this beautiful vintage wine glass set that I got from XKXKKE. These glasses are perfect for any type of formal occasion such as a wedding or bridal shower, or even if you just want to jazz up dinner time at your own house. They are perfect for wine, sparkling water, or even as dessert cups. They look absolutely gorgeous sparkling in the sunshine, and I love the soft amber color. It makes them look vintage and also adds some class to any occasion, even if it's just some quiet time by yourself. I got a set of 6 in amber, but they are offered in different colors and size sets. I also love that they come nicely packaged. I'm not afraid to order more because I know that they're going to come without a scratch or a chip. My family uses these beautiful glasses quite often. They're easy to hold even for my clumsy teenagers, and then you can just put them right in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. So if you're ready to add a little elegance and style to your next formal gathering, or even just to step up dinner time at your own dining table, then you're going to love these vintage wine glasses from XKXKKE. And that's my point of view.